Have we reached the peak of the AI revolution? A question that seems to be on the tip of each investor's tongue. The world of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, has been a whirlwind of activity in recent years. The surge in investment has been nothing short of astronomical. In the first half of 2023 alone, venture capitalists invested a staggering $15.2 billion in generative AI companies. Companies that are pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn and create. A significant chunk of this investment came from tech giant Microsoft, who invested $10 billion in OpenAI, the creators of the revolutionary ChatGPT, a generative AI chatbot that has sparked a frenzy of interest in the industry. But it's not just big tech companies that are pouring money into AI. Investors are also flocking to AI-focused exchange-traded funds, causing a surge in tech stocks on the Nasdaq index. NVIDIA, a key player in the production of microchips for generative AI, achieved a market capitalization of a whopping $1 trillion. Yet, amidst all this excitement, a note of caution resonates. The rapid influx of investment into AI companies, many of which lack earnings or even innovative products, has led to concerns of a bubble reminiscent of the dot-com era of the late 90s. The high price-to-earnings ratio of stocks like NVIDIA's is just one of the red flags being raised. Investors are finding it increasingly difficult to identify the long-term winners in the AI industry. The substance behind the claims of many AI startups is being called into question, with concerns that many may not generate revenue or profit. Are we seeing history repeat itself? Is the excitement surrounding AI leading us down the same path as the dot-com bubble? Despite these concerns, there is a belief that AI will have significant value in the future. The potential applications of AI are vast, from drug development to climate change modeling. The integration of AI into all software could generate trillions of dollars of economic value. Yet there's a sense that we've hit peak hype of the AI revolution. A sentiment echoed by DeepMind co-founder Mustafa Suleyman. The hype surrounding AI is at an all-time high, but is there substance behind it, or are we on the brink of an AI bubble? Only time will tell. To summarize, the rise in AI investment has been meteoric, driven by breakthroughs in generative AI and the excitement surrounding its potential. However, concerns of a bubble are growing, with parallels being drawn to the dot-com era. The future value of AI is predicted to be immense, but the question remains: have we reached the peak of the AI revolution? Are we on the brink of an AI bubble? This is a question that investors and industry experts will continue to grapple with in the years to come.